Namaste friends, welcome to JavaScript coding interview questions part 6. Today question is what is date in JavaScript? Write code for counter time of coming 2 days. This is the one of the question I faced in one of the interview. Here we will know about first what is date in JavaScript. We will answer like this. The date object in JavaScript is to show present running of time. The time value is since 1st January 1970. This is coordinated universal time. We can create a date using the date object calling the new date constructor. New date constructor creates a new date object with the current date and time. There are four ways to create a new date object. Those are new date and new date augment as a value, new date augment as a date string, a new date augments are here month, date, hour, minutes, seconds, milliseconds. We will answer like this way, and also we will see about the write code for counter time of coming 2 days. This is one of the tricky question I faced. Let's begin with code. First I am creating one file, that is date.js. Here this question is present time to upcoming 2 days. What is the time difference in between? We will show as a second by second counter time decreasing. This is the question. First let's see. I am taking one of the count time. I am taking variable as a count time. Here I am taking new date constructor. Let's see what will be the output it will be. So I'm taking console.log. Here I'm calling count time and go to the terminal. I'm taking node and date.js file. I'm calling here C. This is the present current time it is showing. If I go to the get time, I'm take here. This is will going to show as a what is the current seconds since 1st January 1970. Those seconds they are showing here below. Let's see. I will explain clearly. See it here. The get time method returns a number of milliseconds since January 1st, 1970. And next I am taking here let current time. This is new date constructor. Here also same. I am taking. Why am I taking this means they are asking question. We will count upcoming 2 days. Those date I am mentioning here as a string. Today date is 10th May. So upcoming 2 days is 12th May and 2022. And also I am giving some time here. The time is 6 o'clock and 0 minutes and 0 seconds. I'm taking like that. After that I will go and console and call this current time. Current variable I'm calling here. Let's see what we will be observe here. See it here. This is after 2 days. What will be the time in seconds? Those are it is showing, and this is what is present time in second. In between the difference, if you count, though that is the answer for this. Let's begin with that. We will count for that. Let I am taking day. Before going to this, I wanna take the difference in between both. I am taking let count. 1 second, guys. Yeah, let I am take the count here. This count equals to give taken to the count time minus current time I'm taking here. This is the difference it will be show it here. After that I'm gonna going to the let's start with the day. Day equals to math dot math dot floor. This will be going to show as a current integer. I will explain about the what is math floor here. Let's see here. If a math floor function returns a largest integer less than or equals to given number. How it is means, example I'll take math floor is a 5.2. Here integer output is given 5. One more example. I will take math dot flow 5.7. Here also giving output 5. What is the integer we are having? Those only it will be given. That is why I am taking math dot floor. Here I am taking the count. What will be the count? This is the count I am taking. This count I am going to dividing into days. How it will be going to divide? Actually we are having 1000 into 60 into 60 and 24. This will be going to converting as a our regular date. Let's see. I will take console dot log. Here I am taking day. What will be the output? We will see here. Let's see. 0 days. It will be showing as a 0 date. Why? Because here I am missing the star multiplication. Let's see. 2 days is the difference between. First I will take into the comment in this one we can see clearly here. See here. 2 days is the difference. Present day to upcoming 2 days. So let's go to the hours. I am taking hour equals to math dot flow. Taking after that here I am taking count. Here I am taking the count. Here I am taking the remaining for this. Remaining and also taking these days into 60,000 into 60 into 60 into 24. This is the overtaking remainder. After that remainder, I am going to dividing with these days. So that will be become this hours. It will be going to become a in hours. Let's see 1000 star into 60 into 60 into 24. I am counting here. Let's see what will be the output will become. So before that I am taking here one of the string and giving to the days, and after that I am going to give to the concatenating to the those hours. I am taking the hour like this. If I call that, what will be the output we will see. Yeah. No .js. See it here. What it will be going to show as in between today to and coming to the 12th May, there is no difference in hours. That's why it is showing as a 0. By taking to the 19, we can observe 1 hour is a difference. Yeah, what will be happen here? I am taking the 24. That is the reason it will be coming like that. Let's see it here. 1 hour is a difference. And if I go into the 8 o'clock, let's see what will be the difference. 2 hours is a difference. I am clearly here mentioning some string name is a hour. I am mentioning as a hours. Yeah. Let's go to the minutes. I am taking to the minute and giving to the same math dot flow. Here I am taking parenthesis. In this parenthesis I am taking the same count, this remainder, and afterward I am taking 1000 into 60 into 60. I am not taking the hours here. Just I am going to convert it into hours into minutes. That is why I am taking like that. After that I am going to dividing here 1000 into 60. That is enough for this. It will going to converting as a minute. Next I am going to concatenate is a minute. I am taking minute. Let's observe what will the output. 44 minutes is remaining. Here now present time to upcoming 2 days. 2 days 2 hours 44 minutes is the difference we are having. There also I am giving to the string as a minutes I am taking. Last remaining thing is we want to show as a second. I am taking seconds. Let second equals to math dot flow. I am taking here flow, and here I am taking the parenthesis and count. This count I am going to percent like a remaining part. I am taking like 1000 star into 60. and after that I am going to divide this with 1000. Let's see what will be the output it will become. I'm going to concatenate seconds also. Let's see output what will be it is showing. See it here. I'm taking difference here like this difference. Let's see 57 minutes seconds it will be remaining. Here also I'm concatenating seconds second. Here also giving some space. Okay, right. Let's begin. Okay, this much time is difference from present time to upcoming 2 days. But here one of the tricky they are asking here, you want to show as a second by saying decreasing time you want to show. Like this they are asking after showing to the this result. What can we do if you want to convert like this? We will see. We will want to show like this means we will use the set time interval we will use here. What is a set time interval? I will show you here. This is a set interval. In set interval we are having one callback function and time duration. This is a time duration, this is a callback function. Yeah, let's begin with how to give this set timeout. Present I am going to creating one set interval here. This set interval, in that we are having one callback function. It is a function. In this function uh, this is a function, and second thing I want to take the 1000 milliseconds. In this function we wanna going to paste this entire thing. This thing we are going to show it as a in that one. So let's I'm taking like this. I am going to inserting into in this function and also removing unnecessary consoles log here. And next I wanna going to call this on terminal. Let's see what will be the answer we will observe. Second to second it is decreasing. This is the counter time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and please comment down.